What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell at your bottom right. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? For this fun and easy tomato and cottage cheese recipe, all you're going to need is steak tomatoes, Roma or vine tomatoes, black pepper, salt, and of course cottage cheese. I'm also going to use a dash of 3 cheese and raspberry vinaigrette. I am going to make this recipe 3 different ways, and without further ado, let's get to the menu, family. Okay, for our first way, we're going to go ahead and cut the top off. And we're going to make this into a star, you guys. Very simple. Okay, we're going to go ahead and spread it apart. Go ahead and cut that and make it a little bit more clean. And all we're going to do now is add in our cottage cheese. I call this my star tomato. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and add some salt. Now, quick facts. Who invented cottage cheese? The ancient Mesopotamians made a type of salty sour cheese very similar to cottage cheese that dates back as early as 3000 BC. A common legend is that it was invented when a desert traveler filled his sheep's stomach saddlebags with milk prior to beginning his journey. Pretty cool. Alright, now for our second way, we are going to cut the tops off of our 2 steak tomatoes. And we're going to cut these into like little steak fries. If you've seen that video, I will link that in the description below. We're going to cut these like steak fries. I'm showing you 2 different ways to cut these. Whatever fits you, go ahead. Alright, we're going to plate this up just like this. And now we're going to add in our cottage cheese. Very simple, you guys. Again, with our salt, with our black pepper. And now we're going to add in our salt. Now this time, we're going to take our 3 cheese vinaigrette and we're going to sprinkle some of that on here. This is going to be beautiful. Yes, give me a like. What health benefits does tomatoes have? The health benefits of tomatoes are many and include eye care, good stomach health, and reduced blood pressure. They may provide relief from skin problems and urinary tract infections and may reduce the risk of diabetes too. Pretty cool. Okay, and for the third way of making this recipe, you're going to use Roma or vine tomatoes, and we're going to cut them in small circles, just like so. Juicy. This is going to be good to put on your platter or to place on your dinner plate. And all you're going to do is add cottage cheese on each slice of tomato. This is a beautiful and a delicious treat. Next, again, we're going to add in our salt and our black pepper. And this time, we're going to put some raspberry vinaigrette on there. Sorry for the blur, you guys. And we're going to pour a little bit on here like so. Man, and your guests are going to love it. Give me a like. Alright, you guys. Well, look, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 things and to our next food adventure. Peace.